just wanna hold you. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah.
Very nice. Ta-da! So it brings a calibrated pipe tube, so we can calibrate. Nice touch. So regarding dosing pumps, this is the real deal. You can also, wow, look at the size. Wow, very impressive. So there's two buttons here, in and out. Wow. It's very big, bulky. Looks very strong also. So these pumps, you can also use them to do water changes without having the top-off system, auto top-off system adding water, because so as you're taking water out of the tank, the volume can lower, and then the auto top-off system will be adding RO water. But no, these will take water out, so we'll suck it from the tank out to the drain, and this will take it out of the reservoir, and this will add the water to the tank at the same time. So the water level will not change in the tank. So here we got the holes to hold it. This is the interface, all the connections for the Apex system. So we got communication. Then what else do we have? So we got USB cable. We got hose, nice clear hose, very important. And we got here the adapter right here. So this will work 100 to 40 volts, 50, 60 hertz, 1.5 amps. So this data right here is very important because we can use the data in the US or in Europe.